Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, I'm going to go over spam protection from open registrations in LifterLMS. So sometimes LifterLMS users who use open registration can get a lot of spam accounts being created, and we'll talk about how you can prevent that here. So we'll go to the LifterLMS settings, we'll go to accounts, and scroll down to the open registration area. Here we see open registration fields. So currently I have open registration enabled, and a couple ways to get around this is to just not use open registration, so people cannot come to your site and register without enrolling in a course. But if you do need open registration enabled, one way to get around this as well is to require a voucher code. So the voucher codes allow users to come to the site and put in the code and be enrolled in a course or membership or multiple courses and memberships that would have been like prepaid offline or something like that. So if you require a voucher code with open registration, this will protect against spamming because spam bots have the information like first and last name, addresses, and phone numbers, but they won't have a valid voucher code. So that's a way to prevent that account from being created. So those are two very easy ways to prevent spam when using open registration in LifterLMS. Thanks for joining me. Feel free to drop any suggestions or videos you want to see me do in the future down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.